Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know a lot of people have been asking me, can you make lip gloss without Versagel? So if you guys let me know if you find some other type of lip gloss base to try it out, just let me know and I'll buy it and I will do a video on that. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. So today I found two lip gloss bases. They are from AliExpress. One is non-stick. I don't remember which one it is. And the other one is Nutritious. So yeah, they're about, I think they're 10 grams. And these are both sample sizes. And these cost like $2 and some change for each. So I don't remember which one is non-stick. So I'm just going to do two separate bowls. So as you can see, they both come like halfway filled. I have not used either of these. But yeah, but what I like about this is there isn't any air bubbles like the Versagel has. So now I'm just going to try both of these out and we're going to see how good they are. So stay tuned. So I'm going to try the first one first. Now I doubt this is going to just come out so like that. So I'm just going to use a spoon to get it out. I'm just going to use a back of a spoon and I'm just going to hope for the best. Or doing something smaller. I don't have anything smaller, so yeah. See, this is going to be a challenge to get out. Cause see how that just sticks pretty much to this. So the first one, as you can see, I tried to put in a bowl, but that was a huge fail. Cause like, what is that? It's nothing. So that was a fail. So that was pretty much all of this. Like, wow, that's all I get for $2 and some change. I feel like I've been ripped off, you know? I'm gonna try this instead. But this time, I'm just gonna pour the glitter in here. And I'm gonna hope for the best. So as you can see some gel at the top right there. But that will disappear. So watch this disappear. Okay, I'm gonna use the back of the spoon. So yeah, it is kind of like an air bubble, kind of. Cause see, it still looks so empty. Like, that is ridiculous. $2 for this? Guys, I would recommend this actually, cause this is. But I still haven't tested like the consistency of the base, so I'm gonna get to that. So I'm gonna add some glitter. Where's my glitter? Some of this pink glitter right here. Some glitter in here like this. I think that's enough for now. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna mix this up real quick if I can. Yeah, I think I should have just did this in the first place for the other one, because this is much better. Alright, so I'm just going to mix that up like that. Now the question is, how do you get all this stuff out of there? That would definitely be the hard part. But yeah, I'm just going to continue mixing just like this. Alright, so that's good for right now. So next what I'm going to do is put a cap on this glitter so it won't spill. Because I don't have time to be wasting product. Okay, that's good enough for now. Now I'm just going to add a scent to it. Now normally I use my mixed berry scent, but today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. And I'm going to do this honeysuckle. I get all my flavoring oil from TKB Trading. These new flavors cost like $2.55 for sample, and strawberry and vanilla cost like $1 and some change. So I'm just going to add a couple drops of this. So maybe like 1, 2, 3. We can do 4. Doesn't matter. All right, look, I got some glitter on my stuff. Now that I wipe that off. This up like this. Remember, when you do add the flavoring oil, the consistency does change just a little bit. Well, that's the Versagel. Now this, nothing seems to be changing, which is very good. So that looks good enough. Let me see this other jar. What can I do with that? So yeah, this looks pretty empty when all I took out was this, which isn't much at all. Some glitter got in there too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a swatch of this, and it smells really good. I can smell it, so it does hold a scent. And I'm gonna take these gloves off so I can do a swatch, and I'm not actually gonna sell. I'm not gonna sell this, guys. It's just for a demonstration. So do not comment, oh, you don't have gloves on, that's so unsanitary. Blah, blah, blah. I hate when people comment stuff like that. I normally just block them, or I just delete the comment, either or. But a lot of times I get so many comments I don't even see it till like weeks later. But yeah, I do wear gloves, just not in demonstration videos. So as you can see, no air bubbles. Some glitter has gotten in there, I know. But let's see the consistency is it worth anything? Yeah, that's really pretty. It's not that sticky at all. A lot of people think the Versagel is sticky, but this is not sticky at all. This is like the perfect lip gloss consistency, and it's very shiny, very pretty. And I will do a swatch of the glitter one. I'm gonna try it on my lips, probably off camera. But as you can see, what is the end of this? But as you can see, it's pretty good. Like, that's not sticky at all. Like, let me get a little more. Like, that's not even sticky. Like, I mean, it's a little gooey, but it's nothing compared to the Versagel, you know? Like, this is like that regular lip gloss consistency. But not any, you know, crazy air bubbles. Or crazy, it's not thick at all. It's very thin. So yeah, I think a lot of people would definitely like this consistency. But yeah, now I'm gonna do a swatch for the glitter one. Guys, it feels really good on your lips. Like, it feels so thin, but your lips feel so moist, you know? So your lips won't feel thick at all like the Versagel. But see, I like my lip gloss to look, well, I like my lip gloss to feel thick on my lips. That's how I know it's not going anywhere. Versus thin lip gloss, because it does disappear after a couple hours. Thick lip gloss like the Versagel does not do that. But yeah, if you're looking for a thin consistency gloss and that's shiny and doesn't have any air bubbles, this is definitely for you. So I'm gonna put in. Now I'm going to try to wipe it off. As you can see, my arm is still a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Like glossy-like. But it's not sticky at all. You know, it just feels moist. Like the Versagel, if you do a swatch of the Versagel, you know, it feels kind of sticky on your arm once you wipe it off. But that, it doesn't feel like that. So now I'm just going to do a swatch of this. This is like so pretty. It'll be pretty to sell like lip gloss jars, but see, the problem is getting it out. But I guess you could just have like a regular lip gloss brush. Would do the trick. So I'm just gonna do a swatch of this. So yeah, that's very pretty. Let me try to get a little bit more. Okay, that's a little bit better. Oh my God, that's really pretty. And again, it does hold the scent. It's very thin, very pretty. So I'm just going to try to get it as thick. I'm just going to try to get as much lip gloss as I can. Again, it is hard to get out these jars. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, see, that's a lot better. But see, like, look how thin that is, though. Like, it's not thick at all. That's what I like about it, you know. But yeah, this is a really pretty consistency. But yeah, guys, again, it's not thick, super thin. Definitely helps the smell. Not too thick. It's not too thin. It's like, it's pretty much perfect. So would I recommend this? Yes. I just wish they give you a lot more in the jars, because the jars are like halfway filled. But again, it's like $2 and some change. So I got 2 of them. Shipping is like $2, or you can do free shipping, but it's gonna take like 3 months to come. Y'all already know that. But yeah, like, that's so pretty. But yeah, I really like that as well. Now I'm gonna try this on the lips, because I know a lot of people ask me, can you feel the glitter on the lips? If you put this in Versagel, you cannot feel the glitter on the lips. But with this lip gloss base, I don't know. I'm about to try it now, and I'll let you guys know what happens. Okay, guys, good news. You cannot feel the glitter on your lips when you put it on. This one, it feels a little bit more liquidy. Like, it feels very moist, but it doesn't feel thick like I said before. It's very thin. But it kind of feels like you just put water on your lips, but like the water stays there. That makes sense. I don't know, maybe that's a bad example, but like, it's just not thick at all. It's very thin. Your lips will feel wet, you know. Doesn't feel anything like the Versagel. I'm telling you guys, it's 2 different types of bases for real. But again, if you like thin lip gloss, if you don't like the thickness, if you don't like the thicky and stickiness of the Versagel, I recommend this for you. I didn't see the seller have a bigger size of the lip gloss base, like in bigger portions. I asked them, and they said this is the only size they had. But like, I don't know if any other sellers on AliExpress sell them in bigger portions. So definitely check that out. I will leave the link to where I got this base from in the description. But guys, that's so freaking pretty though. Isn't that pretty? But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like more videos like this, leave a comment telling me what else you want to see, guys. If you want me to do a video on something, like a certain try a certain product, leave a link or tell me where to get it from so I can buy it. Don't tell me, oh, can you make lip gloss using this? Well, tell me where to buy that, because I don't know where to buy it. Tell me how much it costs, you know. So because like every month I buy so many stuff to do videos on, like, I run out of ideas. I need you guys to leave me some links to where to buy other things, you know, so I can have more content. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.